Hey, what's up everybody? Welcome to the Average Joe Dividends YouTube channel. If you've been following this journey, welcome back. If you're new to the channel, please subscribe so that you do not miss future videos. Also hit that like button to help me out with the YouTube algorithm. Getting paid just for owning stocks. This is what dividend investing is all about. This is my weekly buy video, and my current strategy is to deposit $100 of my own money per week and let the portfolio do the heavy lifting for me going forward. All dividends received will be reinvested back into that stock from which it was received. My goal is to put this money to work for me in the long term to build a growing and reliable income stream. I am a long-term buy and hold investor who focuses primarily on individual blue chip stocks as well as ETFs and CEFs. What we are looking at right now is my M1 stock brokerage account. This is a taxable account, and we'll take a look at the performance over the last week, and you can see we're down 0.42%. And next I'm going to jump into the activity log. We're going to see where that $100 went. You can see here's my deposit this morning, the $100, but there were 6 buys for $201.70. The extra over $100 is from a dividend that Jeppy paid me right here. You can see this is going to be a dividend reinvestment back into Jeppy for $102.77. So a very nice dividend paid there. And we'll look at the trading, see where this $100 went to. Again, the Jeppy, the $102.77, that's a dividend reinvestment. But PNC 24.10. And then American Express $20.98, Travelers $9, and looks like the bulk of it went to John Deere and Company $40.55, and the last one KKR $4.30. And what I'm going to show you next is what the impact was of this dividend reinvestment from Jeppy, as well as the 5 other buys. And what we'll do is we'll go to my Google Spreadsheets. I'll leave a link below so you can see everything that I'm invested in and how I track my stocks. You can see I have every single position here. I have everything color coded by the month in which it pays. And right now we're in the first month of Q2, so we're in the light greens right now. And we'll scroll right over. You can see Jeppy paid me, but Merck's going to be paying me tomorrow, and that's going to be the amount. And something I track on this sheet as well, it's especially for dividend investors, is my monthly cash flow. And you can see right now we're currently at $793.27, and I've hard coded that because once I do the update, I'm going to do a data dump from M1 right into here in my M1 data tab. And all I do is I go to M1, go to the holdings tab, and I'm going to do a copy. I'm going to grab all this data starting from name and scroll all the way down. And it's going to grab all the information. What it's going to grab, really what I'm concerned about, is the number of shares and the cost basis, and that's what's going to update my sheet. And rather than relying on a service to pay for like Plaid or whatever, this is free and it's instantaneous and it doesn't require a complicated script. I'm just using VLOOKUPs, so I grab that. I'm just going to do a paste special, values only. And once this updates, I'm going to go to the dividend portfolio tab here, and we'll see the new monthly cash flow average is now $794.30. I'm going to jump to this tab, which is my monthly average dividend tracking, and what I do is it's kind of like a ledger of everything that has changed, whether I've bought shares of a company has raised their dividend or lowered their dividend, or any other event that changes my monthly cash flow. I put that in there, and we'll have a line item for the Jeppy dividend drip and the $100 deposit. We're going to put the result at $794.30. Scroll down here, So now we're at 794.30. You can see here I put this in JETB dividend drip and $100 deposit. And what this will do to my monthly cash flow every month going forward, I added an additional $1.03. That doesn't seem like much, but you can see it seems like every day or every other day there's something happening, whether I'm dripping in dividends or I'm buying more shares of stocks. You can see here SCHD lowered their dividend from December to March, but I anticipate SCHD is going to raise their dividend on average. So this 38 is we're going to have a much larger increase coming up. It may be in the second, third, or fourth quarters, but I see that going up. And just want to show you how I track this, because I think it's important to know what your monthly average cash flow is from your portfolio. So if you intend to draw from it, you can get an idea of what you can expect. It's not going to be an exact 794.30, because in the months of March, June, September, and December, this portfolio and many others are going to pay more in those months, because usually most companies pay their dividends in the last month of the quarter. So I just think it's a good idea to monitor the cash flow average so you can see kind of progress going forward. So that's pretty much all I wanted to show you of what I bought, maybe give you some ideas. Of course, this is not investing advice, but you can at least see what I'm buying. I know a lot of people make suggestions of, here, buy this stock. Well, I think you need to put your money where your mouth is if you're going to make any suggestions, and not just say to buy a stock. I'm showing you exactly what I'm doing, what I'm invested in, and what I'm buying. So thanks for staying to the end of this video. Please click the like button if you got any value from it, and also subscribe so that you do not miss future videos. Everyone, take care and have a great week.